Hey you guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a quick, easy, and savory old-time favorite, chicken and dumplings. To save time, I'm going to use canned biscuits for our dumplings, and I'm only going to use one pot. To add a serving of fruit and a little sweetness to this meal, I'm serving it with a side of microwaved baked apples. So let's get started. To make the chicken and dumplings, first cut the chicken breast into cubes. When handling raw animal foods, be sure to keep cutting boards and utensils separate to prevent cross-contamination. Never wash raw chicken or meat. Always wash your hands with soap and water after handling. I'm going to heat some vegetable oil in a large pot over medium-high heat. Then add the cubed chicken breast, chopped onion, chopped celery, and garlic powder. Cook for about 12 to 15 minutes, stirring every now and then so the chicken doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. When the chicken is mostly cooked and no longer pink, I'm going to add broth, dry parsley, poultry seasoning, and pepper. Mix this up well and bring it to a boil, making sure to stir it. Once it's boiling, add a can of mixed vegetables. Next, I'm going to measure out some flour and mix it with milk in a small bowl until it's smooth. Pour this over the chicken mixture in the pot and stir it all together. Cook until it gets thick and bubbly, then reduce the heat to low. Now I'm going to open a can of biscuits and cut each one in half. To add to the pot, start in the center and drop one of the halves in. From there, drop the rest of the biscuit halves in a spiral formation towards the outside of the pot. Cover the pot with a tight-fitting lid and cook for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until the biscuits are fluffy and no longer doughy. For our microwave baked apples, wash the apples and cut them into 8 wedges. Remove the core in the center of each slice, then cut the slices into bite-sized pieces. Melt margarine in a medium-sized microwave-safe dish. Mix the melted margarine with cinnamon and nutmeg. You can even add some white or brown sugar if you'd like. Place the apples in the dish and toss them until they are well coated. Cover with plastic wrap, but leave a small vent open for the steam to escape. Microwave on high for about 3 minutes or until the apples are soft. Stir and let cool for about a minute. And there you have it. Healthy, hearty chicken and dumplings with a side of microwave baked apples. Any leftovers should be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator. The chicken and dumplings will keep for 3 to 4 days, and the baked apples will keep for 1 day. The recipes for chicken and dumplings, as well as the microwave baked apples, can be found online at lsuagcenter.com/buildahealthymeal or in the description box below. Follow us on Pinterest and Instagram for more healthy meal ideas. So come on, let's build a healthy meal.